Hey, it's Green Bay Wacky. Real quick, this is not for kids. I'm not endorsing smoking. I'm not saying it's good for your health. But guys, if you do smoke and you're spending $7 or $8 on a pack of cigarettes a day, I'm serious. That's do the math. That's $400 to $600 a month. You can cut that bill down to $50 or less per month. And again, I would encourage quit smoking, but don't get on my case. Here's how it works, guys. This is what I've been doing, and I'm just going to show you how to roll your own cigarettes, save a ton of money if you do smoke. Again, if you don't smoke, you don't have to watch this, and don't get on my case. Please, I'm not saying it's good for your health. Here we go, real quick. I'm going to raise this camera up so you can see this. I've made this little. Okay, here's what we got. We've got the Power Mate, okay, right here. The Power Mate. Lid flips up. Loader just goes out like that. That's all it does, okay? So we're going to put this right down here, right where you can see it. Let me get the camera up here a little more so we can actually get it in view. There we go. All you do, flip this open, okay? Again, there's the slider, okay? And here's what we have. We have a little lid that opens up. It's a thing. Now, you could buy a pack of cigarettes and save your your carton for it if you want to look normal. I don't mind these, but this is what it'll end up like, and that's where you save your money, okay? So here's how it goes. You just take your bag. Now, it's all labeled pipe tobacco. I'm not endorsing this particular brand or anything, but it will say pipe tobacco on it at the store, okay? So all you do is you basically take a pinch out, kind of ruffle it with your fingers a little bit. There we go. You see, it's right there. You'll need tubes. You buy boxes of tubes. I get the 100-millimeter ones because I like to have the longer hundreds, okay? So here we go. All you do is you take your thing and you put it on there. On the end, you flip your thing up. Okay, so you just slide your tube. Oh, I did it with sunglasses on. Put that right on the end. Just pack that down. Push it in the little slot. That's all you got to do. Turn it over, and here we go. Loaded it. That's it. And then don't laugh. I use a Bic pen, and I just tuck it in, and I flip it down, and there it is. Let's do another one. You can just do this real quick. You can have yourself a quick pack of smokes, whatever you need. Again, I'm not endorsing smoking. This isn't for kids. I'm not saying kids should start. Close it, load it, flip it, and there we are again with another one. Crimp it down. Boom. You can just do this real quick. You just pack it in a little bit. And we put this back on. There we go. Put it down. Load it. Bring it back. And that's all you do. And then one thing I learned about this machine, if you ever have trouble, like if you pack it in too tight and you can't, it's real hard to push the lid down and it's real hard to move the slider, empty this all out. Just flip it up. Empty it out, move the slider back and forth, clean it out, and then start over. But here, we'll do one more, and that's it, guys. Now, that bag of tobacco I showed you, that costs about $8.50. The tubes are $3.50, and they'll do a carton and a half of smokes. So that's 14 packs of smokes. That's about $100 worth for about $12. Close it, slide it, move it back again. And one other thing you can do if you want, when you put these in your pack here, once you get 20 in here, you can turn it over and you can pack them like normal if you want. That's it, guys. If you want to save money, again, I am not endorsing smoking in any way, shape, or form. I'm not endorsing it, but that's how you roll your own. That is how you roll your own cigarettes and save yourself a bunch of money. That's it. Green Bay Wacky. Hey, it's a how-to video. Might not be your cup of tea smoking. Don't get on our case for smokers, please. But hey, I feel for people that are spending $500, $600, $700 a month on cigarettes. That's a lot. That's car payment. All right, that's how you roll your own cigarettes.